Question number 211. Why is it beneficial to organize Azure resources into resource groups? Option A, to enhance security. Option B, to simplify management and deployment. Option C, to improve performance. Option D, to reduce cost. The correct answer is option B, to simplify management and deployment. Resource groups in Azure help organize and manage related resources, making it easier to deploy, monitor, and control access to them as a single unit. They allow for logical grouping, consistent access control, and bulk operations such as applying policies, setting permissions, and managing cost efficiently. Question number 212. What is the primary purpose of Microsoft Entra conditional access? Option A, to protect against phishing attacks. Option B, to enforce strong password policies. Option C, to implement granular access controls based on specific conditions. Option D, to provide multi-factor authentication for all users. The correct answer is option C, to implement granular access controls based on specific conditions. Microsoft Entra Conditional Access is a security feature that allows organizations to control access to resources based on specific conditions such as user location, device status, risk level, and application being accessed. It helps enforce zero trust security by allowing or blocking access dynamically based on predefined policies. Question number 213. By design, when an entire Azure region fails, as it may during a natural disaster in that region, where do some Azure services automatically fail over to? Option A, its region pair, which is at least 300 miles away in the same geography. Option B, another region, which is usually located in another geography. Option C, there are no Azure services that fail over if its region were to fail. Option D, most regions fail over to US East. Correct answer is its region pair, which is at least 300 miles away in the same geography. Azure follows the region pair strategy, where each region is paired with another region at least 300 miles away within the same geography. This design ensures high availability and disaster recovery while complying with data residency and legal requirements. In the event of a regional failure, some services automatically fail over to their paired region, minimizing downtime and data loss. Question number 214. Can subscription be nested? Option A, yes. Option B, no. The correct answer is option B, no. Azure subscription cannot be nested. Each subscription exists as a separate entity under an Azure account, tenant. However, multiple subscriptions can be managed under a single Azure tenant using management groups, which allow organizations to apply policies, permissions, and billing structures across multiple subscriptions. Question number 215. What is the primary purpose of availability zones in Azure? Option A, to ensure data residency compliance. Option B, to provide redundancy and fault tolerance. Option C, to offer discounts for customers in certain regions. Option D, to provide access to Azure services in specific geographic locations. The correct answer is option B, to provide redundancy and fault tolerance. Azure availability zones are physically separate locations within an Azure region, each with independent power, cooling, and networking. They help ensure high availability and fault tolerance by allowing workloads to be distributed across multiple zones, minimizing downtime in case of hardware failure, power outages, or natural disasters. Just a quick reminder, if you don't want to watch all these videos and instead download all questions and answers, then feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 216. Which of the following are required in order to create an Azure virtual machine? Option A, a virtual network. Option B, a subscription to Azure. Option C, a resource group. Option D, a name for the VM. The correct answers are Option B, a subscription to Azure. Option C, a resource group. Option D, a name for the VM. To create an Azure virtual machine, you must have an Azure subscription to provision resources, a resource group to manage and organize the VM, and a name to identify it. While a virtual network is typically needed for connectivity, Azure can automatically create one for you if none is specified. Question number 217. What is the maximum number of instances that can be in a virtual machine scale set? Option A, 100. Option B, there is no limit. Option C, 1000. Option D, 10,000. The correct answer is option C, 1000. Azure Virtual Machine Skill Sets (VMSS) can support up to 1000 instances for standard images. However, if you use custom images, the limit is 600 instances. VMSS allows automatic scaling of virtual machines to handle varying workloads efficiently. Question number 218. Which of the following is an example of a PaaS offerings from Azure? Option A, Azure App Service. Option B, Microsoft Entra ID, formerly Azure Active Directory. Option C, Azure Storage, or General Purpose V2. Option D, Azure Virtual Machines. The correct answer is option A, Azure App Service. Azure App Service is a platform as a service PaaS offerings that allows developers to deploy and manage web applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. It provides built-in scaling, security, and integration with DevOps tools. Question number 219. What is the primary benefit of using containers for deploying applications to Azure? Option A, increase storage capacity. Option B, improved network performance. Option C, improved portability and consistency. Option D, enhanced security. The correct answer is option C, improved portability and consistency. Containers package applications along with your dependencies, ensuring they run consistently across different environments such as development, testing, and production. This makes them highly portable and reduces compatibility issues when deploying applications to Azure or any other cloud platform. Question number 220. Queue storage can be used when two programs need to communicate. Which type of communication is this best suited for? Option A, real-time communication. Option B, broadcast communication, one to many. Option C, asynchronous communication. Option D, synchronous communication. The correct answer is option C, asynchronous communication. Azure Queue Storage is best suited for asynchronous communication, where messages are placed in a queue and processed later. This allows decoupling between components, enabling scalability and reliability without requiring both programs to be online at the same time.